Up the top with David Warner.
Oh, huge appeal. And gone! Look full, it looks straight. Left armour doesn't. Leg side this time, only 3 fielders on the leg side. High in the air, Tim Payne, fielder at mid-off, gonna get this, good catch! Umar goal at mid-off. Showing down the ground. Nobody there, just behind the umpire. That is absolutely in the slot. Oh, ball he chopped on. Oh, big wicket, huge wicket. Michael Clark, 30 from 17. In the air, over, short, fine leg. Shoaib Akhtar gives up the chase. Leg side, it'll be 4. It's not pretty, but it's effective through mid-wicket.
That's brilliant work from the keeper. Cameron Atwell has had the bails off in a flash. And that is a superb delivery, a superb bit of glove work, and Hopes has gone 83 for 4.
Card looked glorious for his 30.
At least be 2, might go all the way, it does. What a bit of placement. Afridi kicks the turf in absolute frustration.
Will bring him on.
Beautiful shot. I wonder when Cameron White was going to try and pull the trigger. He will be more than aware of the overs to come. Oh, it's high, it's leading edgy. It will not go the distance. Will it be taken? Yes. Safe pair of hands of the experienced Shoaib Malik. Oh, delicate. That's a very, very clever little shot.
Oh, got him! He's that one that's gone the other way. Break this partnership. It's David Hussey. Ajmal climbs in. Oh, beautiful shot through extra cover 4. Australia needs some boundaries here. Well, he's done exactly that. He might get 4 here. It's a long, long chase. This is 4. This is a terrific boundary, Australia. Full and fast. You get a single. Got a goal. That's out, I think. Brilliant work by the wicket-keeper. It's a dive in. Oh, Michael Hussey. Everybody stands still on the ground. Brilliant play. Into the leg side. Oh, it's 4. Finds the gap. Goal under pressure. Oh, LB. Oh, he's gone. Oh, he's given him out. LBW. Balling around the wicket. A ball that's very, very full. Oh, beauty. Going down the leg side for me. Oh, no, he's given. Oh, he took a long time. That's that round. Oh, down the ground. Fielders converge. Gone for 4. Smack down the ground. Fielder there. It's gone for 6. All the way. Excellent. Get it in there. And gone, I would think. End of the game. Quick thinking, Umar. Turn Australia over again.